Hey guys, what's up? It's Mishti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishti Savo Gracias. So today I'm gonna be showing you 3 easy fireless cooking recipes, part 1. So let's get started. This one is biscuit donuts. In a mixer grinder, add 25 to 30 pieces of Parle-G biscuits and grind it well. Okay, so the biscuit powder is ready. Now our next step is that in a big bowl, add the powder and then add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut, half cup plus 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and mix it until it becomes a bit crumbly in texture. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey in it. Mix it till it forms a nice soft dough. If you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so finally our dough is ready. Now let's move on to our next step. Okay, so take a parchment paper greased with oil and cover the dough as shown in the video. Then roll it nicely till all its sides are 1 inch. Do exactly as shown in the video. Like this. Okay? So, using a donut cutter, cut it into the shape of donuts as shown in the video. Remove the excess. You can make more donuts with it. If you want a more crunchy donut, you should grind it coarsely rather than grinding it into fine powder. Now remove the middle small circle. Now, put some sprinkles over the butter paper, spread it nicely, and coat the donuts with the sprinkles. You can also coat the donuts with desiccated coconut or gems or anything of your choice. So when your donuts are ready, keep it inside the fridge for about 30 minutes so that they're easy to handle while eating. These look super yummy and I prefer them than the fried donuts. These are more healthy and more delicious. I just love these. Now let's dust some powdered sugar on top of the donuts. If you don't want to do, it's okay. It's completely your choice. Oh my gosh, these are ready. Now let's hug into it. Okay, so the next one is kind of my favorites and I really loved it. It's chip sandwich, so let's get started. Take few slices of bread and trim its edges. I bet you it will taste so delicious that you're gonna have it every day. So it's done, and now take a slice of bread and spread some mayonnaise on top of it. Now place some chips on top of it. You can use any type of chips you want. You can use potato chips or some other kind of chips if you want. Now place a slice of cheese on top of it. Now take another slice of bread and spread some mayonnaise on top of it too. Then place that slice of bread on top of it. Then spread a mixture of mayonnaise and tomato sauce on top of that slice of bread. And place some more chips on top of it. I can literally smell it. I really love this. Okay, like that. Now, place another slice of cheese on top of it. Then take another slice of bread and apply some mixture of mayonnaise and tomato sauce again. And place that piece of bread on top of it again. And oh my gosh, it's ready. It's looking super delicious. Now let's cut it into 2 triangles. Oh my gosh, how much longer is this video gonna be done? I really wanna have it right now. This looks so yummy. You can have it with chutney or tomato sauce or mayonnaise. It's completely your choice. Again, now let's move on to our next recipe, that is cold coffee. Oh my gosh, this one is my favorite. Okay, so take 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder and add some amount of lukewarm water in it and mix it well till the coffee dissolves. I really love the smell of coffee, literally. Do you like it too? Write in the comment section below. In a mixer grinder, add 2 glasses of chilled milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. It'll help it to taste better. Then add some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Then add the coffee and lukewarm water mixture in it. Then add some powdered sugar in it. You can add sugar as per your taste. Now blend it well until it turns frothy. Okay, so decorate the glass with some chocolate syrup. Our cold coffee is ready. It's very frothy. So in a glass, add some ice cubes. I'm adding 3 to 4 ice cubes. Then pour in the coffee mixture in it. This looks really frothy and it actually is. It's really yummy. It's the best cold coffee I've ever had. Okay, so finally our 3 fireless cooking recipes are ready. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this recipe. Till then, bye. See you next time.